Yes, we are hosting around 200 of the top leaders, top key executives within the financial institutions across Europe and Italy in particular. And they judged the impacts on their investments and their business of the two conflicts, Hamas-Israel and Russia-Ukraine. More than 50% of them, they judged it very little impact. So not a great impact in the short term. Of course, there are worries, spreaded worries about the duration of the two conflicts and about the possibility that those conflicts spread around and involve other countries. That is will have a great impact, but in terms of immediate short term, their evaluation is very little impact.
I find that extraordinary because I spent so much time on CNBC looking at supply chain problems because of what's going on in the Red Sea in the Middle East, because of talking about energy issues and how that's affected the German and the European and the manufacturing base in Italy, etc. as well. So I find that quite extraordinary. But again, these are absolutely pivotal, very important businessmen and women as well. So I take it on board. But what is interesting is their view also, and you conducted a second poll, about how they see the next 12 months as well. And actually, they're pretty bullish, aren't they?
Yes, they are. 63% of them, they are expecting for 2024 a growth of their turnover, which means that the vast majority is looking with optimism to the futures, and 1/4 of them has declared they will even grow double-digit 2024. That's a very good sign. And going back to the impact of the Russia-Ukraine war, when we posed the same question last year, the degree of worries were much higher. So we compared the two polls. The audience is not necessarily exactly the same, but the executives are representing the industry somehow. And the evaluation of the impact was 20 percentage points higher,
wow.
Which means that at the very beginning we were worried. Take Italy, for example, just as an example. We were related to Russian gas supply for more than 30 billion square meters, and in 10 months we completely redesigned the supply chain of gas, going down to around 3 billion square meters from Russia.
Yeah.
So the speed, the flexibility, the resilience of the Italian ecosystem of private and public created the necessary solutions to avoid the impacts on the supply chain.
Yeah.